Hey, baby bear. Oh, man. Ooh. You're okay.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Good morning.
Morning.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I love you.
Love you.
Good morning, everyone.
Mmm.
Happy Saturday. Was it hot?
Oh my gosh. Yeah. You'd think that this would be enough, but I fell asleep last night reading old magazines. I woke up this morning with back issues.
Old magazines, back issues. Good one. Good one.
Oh, well.
Oh, thank you everybody for being here today and watching and playing along with us. We appreciate you. Please remember to hit that thumbs up, to subscribe if you aren't, to leave us a comment, and to share with people you want to torment. So we have some back birthdays that we missed last week. So first of all, on 24th, it was Jason Kelly's birthday. Happy birthday, Jason. We miss you guys. And then your son Robbie's birthday was on the 28th. So happy birthday, Rob.
My old son, Rob. Robbie, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. So last Saturday we chatted with you, and then we melted in the heat. And then a guy came and installed the new surge protector.
Again, if it hadn't been for this thing, I would have installed it.
Yeah, he would have
It wasn't that big of a deal.
But,
but at least we got it installed.
Yep. Why do we look so crooked? Oh, it's
because we are.
Because we are? I thought
Yeah.
I straightened it out.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Yeah, I can tell. Oh, well, we're a little tipsy anyway. Just follow along with us today, and or is it this way? Anyway, so we got the power issue fixed. However, we didn't try it or push it because it was the weekend. So we kind of waited until Monday, to really try it.
Turn the AC on and make sure everything worked properly.
And it did, knock on wood. Let's hope it stays that way. So on Sunday, you really got overheated.
Yeah, overheated, the knee was hurting. I pushed it a little too far the second day after the surgery.
Yeah. Oh, I'm feeling okay.
Well, I'm doing okay. I can walk on it. I don't need any crutches. Nah, it wasn't the smart thing to do. I don't need ice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just ballooned up.
Yeah, guess what he's been doing all week.
All week I've been sitting, elevating, putting ice on it. When I do walk, I walk with the crutches.
And taking the heavy-duty pill at night to help him just kind of sleep and relax and not move around. I noticed when you didn't take it, well, of course, last night you did good, but the night or two that you didn't take it, you were very restless. Yeah. So, and I was afraid he was going to hurt it, not just pain hurt, but like do something to mess it up. Yeah. But
it's getting better.
Yep.
Getting better.
It's getting better.
I actually did start walking on it late yesterday afternoon without the crutches. When I take the bandage off and put ice on it now, you can actually see there's a kneecap instead of just
a balloon. Yeah.
So it's coming around, and we go back. I go back to the doctor this week, I think, Wednesday. I think it's the 3rd. That's the follow-up.
Wednesday's the 2nd.
Okay, so it's Thursday the 3rd.
Yeah.
And that's a follow-up, and all they're going to do is look at it and go, yeah, it looks like it's doing pretty good. It looks like you're ready to start physical therapy, which I already have scheduled for the following week.
Yep.
So he's going to say, just keep doing your little knee and leg exercises, lift it, stretch it. Yeah. It's like, yes, sir.
I mean,
no more just thinking it's okay and doing what I want.
He's been in so much pain. He's been really just lethargic and out of it. And that's not even on the pain pills.
No.
It was just hurting so bad.
Yeah.
So on Monday he was hurting pretty much.
I think I really screwed it up by trying to walk on it that second day.
Yeah.
Just full out, hey, I'm okay, I can do this.
You stayed in bed while I went to
Phew.
our daughter's house. They are on vacation, so I'm going over there and watering their bazillion plants and feeding the turtle, rescuing the turtle from the swimming pool and putting her back in the pond and feeding her, and feeding the kitty and giving him lots and lots of loves. So so I've been doing that every morning, and I go early,
Before the heat hits.
before the heat hits, make sure they get a good soaking, and just trying to beat the traffic for commuter traffic too. So I've been going really early in the morning. Like I've already been this morning, and it's what is it? Just a little bit after 8 o'clock. Heck, some mornings we're not even up yet. This week I've been up really early.
See, this is going to get you into a new routine. You can start continuing to get up at like 5 o'clock and exercise for 2 or 3 hours every day. That'll be the new routine for you.
You want to be able to walk ever again?
For
Exercise. Oh, jeepers. So on Monday, it was a little bit cooler day. There was a little overcast and a nice breeze. It was nice that day. But it still got kind of warm later in the afternoon. So, of course, Tuesday I went and watered, and you had your work call meeting, and, God, that's tiny writing.
work call meeting from bed.
Oh, yeah, that's right, from bed.
I did my Zoom call from the bed.
Yep. It was nice and breezy on Tuesday, too, and that helped with the heat.
Yeah.
And I did some work. And then Wednesday, I went and went to pick up my mom. She had an eye doctor appointment. And so I picked her up, dropped her off, went and watered, then went back and picked her up and took her home.
Yeah.
So, actually, she didn't go home. She came to she came out here.
She came here.
Because she was coming for dinner with Wendy and Kevin.
Yeah.
So she came, she laid down for a while until Wendy got home. But so her eyes really hurt. She has the injections for the macular degeneration. And so her eyes kind of hurt for a little while. You were really still hurting. You didn't even want to go join them for dinner on Wednesday. And I did some work, and we actually tried the AC that day.
Yeah.
First day we tried it.
It worked.
It worked.
Like
It
we
works.
said.
Knock, knock on wood. Hopefully we'll be able to use it today, too, if we need to.
Everything seemed pretty
So,
good.
yep, seems all right. I watered again in the morning, and then you and I both did some work stuff on Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
And the AC was very nice.
Yes,
Even
it
the
was.
dog and the cat were happy.
Yes, they appreciate it a
Yes.
lot.
Very nice. Another thing, too, it's like when we have the fans all going, it's pretty noisy. Can't hear what's going on. Can't, if you're trying to watch TV, you can't hear it. Well, I could hear it, but Tom can't.
There it is.
There it is. Not only does he have a bum knee, he's got bum ears, too. So yesterday morning, I went and watered. And I didn't go in as early because my sister and I were meeting with a client at the office. So
Yeah.
I kind of timed it to go water first, changed my clothes there, and then went to the meeting at the office with one of our clients that we share. And you were doing a lot better yesterday.
Yeah.
A lot better.
Yeah.
There was a big difference. Big difference. And then when I got home from doing that, I worked on another client's stuff. But time to catch up on work. We've had so many crazy things going on that I hadn't had a chance. So I'm finally catching up on that. But and that's probably what today and tomorrow will entail.
Yeah.
Is me working.
And like I said, the knee's getting a lot better. I'm feeling better. I almost feel human now.
Yeah, you were just out of it all week. Just with hurting, you know.
I really did a bad thing just trying to, like I said, oh, I'm tough. I can do this.
And I think you had some misinformation.
And maybe several years, maybe decades ago, I could have done that. But at this age, I need to do what the doctor says.
Yeah. It was really sweet. He got a card from the nurses at the surgery center.
Hey. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they liked him. I thought that was pretty cool. It's a great place, man. If you need any kind of surgery, suggest your doctor to go to this surgery center.
Yeah. They were incredible.
Yep, they were great. So, we've been struggling along watching baseball and.
Don't even get me started about the Cardinals.
Oh yeah, not a good year. Not a good year, and we're really nervous about any trades that they may make.
I just want to say, publicly say this. I now have a lot of empathy for all of my friends who are both Cubs and Pirates fans. I know how you feel most years.
Oh gosh.
God, it's frustrating.
Yeah. Anyway, it's.
Oh well, it's baseball.
It's baseball.
At least I get to watch baseball.
It's just a game.
It's just no, it's not.
I knew when I said that there would be a reaction. That's why I said it. That's why I said it.
Oh boy.
Well, we have a busy day ahead of us. We because the truck is out of commission right now for pulling the trailer. We get to
Blue Boy it today.
Blue Boy. And this is going to be really fun.
Sean, you gave me some ideas, so that's what we're going to do. We came up with a Blue Boy, and we're going to use their truck, Kevin and Wendy's truck, to haul our crap over to a dump station.
Yeah, we may have to make a couple trips. And you know what I was thinking? You know the way the driveway
And
slopes?
remember, we have to make a couple trips because most of it's probably her crap because I've been sick. I really haven't been up and down that much.
Okay. But I was thinking, you know how the driveway slopes like this? We could do what Dave does and pull up to the slope on the driveway to help get the poop. You put the tailgate down and put the trolley.
Oh, I don't think it slopes that much, though.
I don't know.
It'd be nice if it did.
We'll see. We can try it. I don't know how I'm going to lift.
It would, if we make a mistake, it might turn into a slippery slope.
Oh, no. You said it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. Well, that's about it.
That's it.
We have lots of stuff to do today, so we're making this quick. We hope you have a great week, and we will see you next week. See ya!
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.
Hey, Sleepy Dog.
Bear.
Sleepy Dog, you ready to eat breakfast?
Bear.
Oh, eat breakfast, you say?
You want to eat?
Let's go.
Is it time to eat?
Let's eat. Come on.
Bear.
Get a bite. You want a bite?
Ooh.
Ooh. I like the bite word.